All right, we are going to be solving the question above, and the question says we should find the equivalent resistance between terminal A and terminal B. All right, if you look at the circuit carefully, you observe that if we supply voltage to terminal A and terminal B, that this 2 ohms and these 2 ohms, this 2 ohms and these 2 ohms will be at the same potential. You can see they are at the same potential, and hence current will not flow through them. And you know, if current does not flow through them, we are going to we need to remove it from the circuit. So it means that we are now going to be redrawing this circuit, removing these 2 ohms and these 2 ohms because they are at the same potential and current will not flow through them. So we are going to redraw the circuit now. All right, so here is our new diagram. Now we have removed these 2 ohms and these 2 ohms from the diagram because they are the same potential and current will not flow through them. All right, so you are going to observe that this and this is now in series, this and this is now in series, this and this is now in series. All right, so and when we have 2 resistors in series, we just add the 2 together. So let's call this RT1. RT1 will be equals to 2R plus 2R, which will give us what? 4R. And then RT2 to be R plus R, which is 2R. And then RT3 will be 2R plus 2R will be equals to 4R. All right. So it means that we are going to be replacing what we have here with just R, and then what we have here with 4R, and then what we have here with also 4R. I hope we understand. All right. So yeah. All right. All right. So here we are going to have 4 ohms, 4R. So here we are going to have 2R. So here we are going to have 4R. We're going to have 4R here. All right. So you can therefore see carefully, clearly that 4R is parallel to 2R and is parallel to what? 4R. So 4R is parallel to 2R, which is also parallel to what? 4R. So the equivalent resistance between terminal A and B will be equals to 1 all over R equivalent will be equals to 1 all over 4R plus 1 all over 2R plus 1 all over 4R. All right. So the LCM now. The LCM of 4R and 2R is 4R, 4R and small letter r. So this we go in this, leaving us with R times 1 is R plus 2R. We arrow, then we left it. So that is 2R. 2R multiplied by 1 is 2R plus then R. I hope we understand. So this will be equals to 2R plus 2R all over what? All over 4R. All right, this. So we can factor as 2 from here. So this will be equals to 2 into r plus r all over what? All over 4 r. So 2 here 1, 2 here is 2. All right. So here, so now we are going to have 1 all over r equivalent to be equals to r plus r all over what? All over 2r. So if you take the reciprocal of both sides, our r equivalent will be equals to 2r all over r plus r. So here is our equivalent resistance between terminal A and B. So mind you, don't forget that we have a well structured material written by us on circuit analysis based on everything we have been doing in this channel and based on other courses as strength of material and thermodynamics and so on and so forth. So you can order for any of our materials. They are well simplified and well structured and with lengthy and numerous examples. Exactly. So you can just go to our description. You are going to have access to our WhatsApp, and then you can also send us a direct message on our email. So we are going to respond to you in no time and place an order for any of this material. And if today is your first time of coming across our content, do well to give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to share this content with your friends who might be in need of them.